Are you tired of forgetting stuff or scribbling to-do lists on random pieces of paper? Let me show you how to make a super clean, easy-to-use to-do list in Notion. And once you do it, you'll never go back to paper again. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you can learn more simple productivity tips like this, the easy way. All right, let's do this step by step. Step 1. Open Notion. First, open Notion on your computer, phone, or tablet. If you don't have an account yet, go to notion.so and create one. It's free. Step 2. Create a new page. Once you're in Notion, look on the left-hand side. You'll see a plus new page button. Click that. Give your page a name like My To-Do List or Daily Tasks. You can also add an emoji at the top to make it fun, like white heavy check mark or memo. Step 3. Add a to-do list. Now you're inside the page. Type /to-do, just like that, and hit enter. Boom! You just added your first checkbox. Type something like "Doe mijn werk." Then press enter again, and another checkbox will appear. Add more tasks. Walk the dog. Clean my room. Study for the test. Watch one YouTube tutorial like this one. That's it. Every time you click the checkbox, the task gets crossed out. Super satisfying. Bonus. Organize with headings. Want to organize your to-do list by day or category? Easy. Type /heading 2 and press enter. Write something like Spiral Calendar Monday tasks or Graduation Cap School stuff. Then add your checkboxes under that. You can even create sections like today, tomorrow, weekend, school, personal. Make it your own. Extra tip, add a reminder. If you want Notion to remind you, type at remind and choose a date and time. For example, submit assignment at remind tomorrow at 4 p.m. Now Notion will remind you so you never forget. And you're done. You just created a powerful, clean to-do list in Notion. If this video helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech, how-to-OS, and productivity hacks.